Hello, YouTubers. CNO22 here from Guild Super Period Heroes. We're looking to recruit members. If you're interested, uh, come come contact me or one of my vice leaders. We got quite a bit of spots available. Only looking for active members. As you can see, we're ranked 831. Not bad. We're looking for active members that'll do Torch at 2045, and you must do all Guild Wars. And Feud. Feud will be at 2000, which is the same as our boss time. So, like I said, must be active, and you must be able to participate in these events and do all Guild Wars. We have ranked first in our last couple of feuds. Guild Wars usually top three. Last couple we took first. Like I said, very active members we got. Feud we actually Feud I already told you that, but Feud we took first in Fortress Feud last couple. Torch we always max Torch, so we get the max 10,000 honor badges, 800 shards. So the requirements, like I said, just got to be active. Participate in these activities that they give us, like Feud, Torch, and Guild Wars. The requirements just need to have 50,000 might plus, and you're good to go and be able to do all the events with us. Anyways, let's get into some daily rewards. We got all them. We're going to go into the events today. Let's see what we got. We're going to do, let's see, limited time offer. Okay, nothing there. How about we do some, got 50,000 gems here to roll. 50,800 gems, but let's start off with this firework display. Let's blow off some fireworks. I see a lot of people get some good rewards with this event, so I'm hoping that happens with me. If you saw some of my last YouTube videos, me not so lucky on the other hand. So let's see what we got here. Let's go with got 18 chances. Valentina. Honor badges, shards. Okay, let's try that again. What happened? Nothing? How come we just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I got 13 chances left. Let's go. Dread Drake, Skull Knight. Wow. I don't need any of those. I am looking for a molt. I really need a molt or an Artica, and I really need an Ares. I still have not got an Ares. So, I need a molt to Evo. Come on, let's go. One more. You don't want to go? Let's go. Medusa. Got some Medusa here. Nice. Okay, let's look at our rewards. Shards, gems, Death Knight, Medusa, Triantar, Dread Drake, another Skull Knight, gems, honor badges, Valentina, I don't need. More shards, nice. Damn, still didn't get my molt. I really needed that. I'm out of chances. Okay. Gems daily. I did all this. Accumulation bonanza. Yeah, okay. Let's see what we get. We'll do the Being Alchemist. let's see what we get with this here. Got 13 chances. Gunpowder. I don't care what all these are. Let's just see. Okay. 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 I don't have enough, to be honest with you, to get anything good in here, so I just go through all this. Sure, it's pretty boring. Okay, what do we exchange now? Honor badges. I guess we'll go with the gems. At least we'll get a free hero roll out of that. Merits, another gems. Go with that. Another gems. I guess that's all we get, eh? This. And what else? Merits. Big whoopee. Okay. Alrighty. I could use a Grim Fiend card too. Or a hero. Uncover the treasure. What do I got with that? I haven't rolled anything, so I probably don't have any chances. Probably gonna have to roll a few. Yep. Okay. Let's get into rolling here. I'm going to probably roll about 25,000 gems. And come on, my rewards. Bam. Okay. I already did all these. Collected one time. I bought that. Bought the $9 value pack. I actually should have bought the no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Alright, let's get into rolling some gems here. Spent enough time on that other garbage. So I did get a Medusa card, which is cool. I have seen pretty decent reviews, so let's see what happens here. Let's get into roll and see what we get. Like I said, I really could use a... Oh, Lady Leo. Already got Lady Leo. Nothing. Let me show you what I got in my altar. There's my altar. Double Evos. Right there. 10. I need a molt to Evo. Come on, Pally. Nah. Do me good here, Phantom King. Let's go. Let's try you. Nothing. Ooh. A lot of blues. Another Skull Knight. I don't need Skull Knight. Darn it. Okay. Let's clear this out. I have plenty of space. I hope you guys get better luck than I do, because my last couple roll videos have been absolutely terrible. And I do not know why IGG will not give me an Aries. I don't know. I'm not getting it. I do not understand why I can't get an Aries in this game. 3 years now playing this game. No Aries. So that would really help me in Guild Wars here. Let's go again. See what we get. Nothing. 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 Okay. Okay. Let's go, Legends. Let's go back. How about Immortap? Let's go, Immortap. More stuff, more stuff. Alright, let's go back. 45. I already rolled 5,000 gems. 150, 150. Cupid, nice. Don't really need a Cupid, I have a Cupid. Oh my god, this game hates me. I need somebody else to roll for me. This is garbage. I don't know what the deal is. Nothing again. Another Skull Knight. What'd I get? 4 Skull Knights today? Holy crap. 40,000 gems. Jeez, come on, guys. Here's my altar. Dang. Oh. Maybe Skull Knight's will give me a 5 of 8 deadly strike when I open it. I'm asking for a lot there, aren't I? Yeah, of course. I can't even get a... I could actually use, let's do Siren. Come on, Siren, help me out here. I could actually use a, Golem. Could use a couple of Golems. I think I need 2 to evo my... double evo my Golem now, so... come on, Siren, do me good. Do me good here, Siren. No, not really. Capacity reach. Damn it, sorry. Oh my lord. Are you kidding me? Nothing. So I have really not got any legends except for Skull Knight, Cupid. Who's my other ones I got? I remember. Okay, ready? Let's go again. Let's see what happens here, guys. 37, going quick. Let's just stay at 50. Is that 13? 13,000 I went through already. Maybe I'll roll some talents. Could use some good talents. Oh my, Immortec. Come on. Beast Tamer. I have him. Few. Champion. Not already, really? Geez, sorry guys. 32,000. Going quick. Alright. Back. Sorry. Oh, jeez. Back in the warehouse. Clear all this garbage out. I guess I'm lucky I'm getting all these shards, eh? At least I can help level up some of the skills on some of my other heroes that need it. currently been trying to farm, actually pass AA. As you can see, I have 153k might, and almost 154. And I have gotten all the way to level 5 on HBM AA. But I ended up losing to the last dragon. I hit him half dead, and then he killed me off. I thought I actually had him beat, but ninja, nice. Succubus, come on. I'm done. Okay. Alright. We're gonna cut this video probably a little short. As you can see, Jack not getting nothing again. So when this happens, pretty much quit rolling, because it's pretty much a waste at that point. I'm not gonna go through all my gems on all these blue and green heroes. So I'll go another 8,000 if I can fit them. I don't even want these ninjas, so I want. I have succubus in here already, don't I? Oh well, I don't want. Don't need champion either. Who cares? Alrighty. Let's see if we can get this going. Come on here. Oops. Let's do this again. Let's go into Druid. Help me out here, Druid, eh? Let's go, buddy. Give me your bigger brother there, Golem, because I just really need him. Let's go, buddy. Nothing. Warlock. Nice, I already have a double Eva Warlock. Nothing. There he is. There he is. Ares. I finally got an Ares. I'm so freaking happy. I'm so happy. Oh my god. There it is. There it is. Thank you. Thank you. The Holy Grail of all rolls right there. That's all I needed. That is all I needed right there. Alright. Let's go into the warehouse. Oh my god, I can't believe I got one. Oh. Oh. Oh my lord, I am so happy. Oh, please give me good talent. Please give me good talent. Come on now. Let's see. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Back to my hero altar. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now. I just kind of forgot where to go to see everything at. Oh, he's got the skill. Oh, did you see that? See the Revite? See the Revite? See the Revite? See the Revite? Come on. 5. Hit it. Oh, 1 of 5. That sucks. Alright. Well, anyways, there he is. Let me see what I can roll here. Scorch. 4 of 8. That sucks. What a useless talent that is. Oh my lord, I am so happy I got an Ares. I am so happy. Thank you, Ares gods, for coming upon me today, because I really needed one. What do you guys think? Post in the comments. Once I maybe help me out here, I'm looking to maybe level up this Lady Leo. Think I should go with the Revite one or this Berserk one. Which of these two, you guys? Help me out. I greatly appreciate any remarks you guys might give me, or input. That help me out on this. But anyways, all right, come on, Ares, let's change this, baby. Give me 5. 3 of 8 sprint. No, that won't do. Ooh, scatter. 3 of 8 scatter. What can I put that on? I don't think I really need scatter on any of that. 4, 4, 4. Maybe that Phantom King. Well, he's got Berserk. I could put that on Ares for now. Santa Boom. Condemnation. Okay. I guess I don't really need it on anything, to be honest with you. Even my lower level heroes don't even need it. Well, my Ares is gonna get a 5 of 5 Revite anyway, so who cares? Let's replace. Slow down. No. 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 Come on, guys. Ooh, 3 of 8 Bulwark. Lady Leo comes with Bulwark, right? So, won't need that. Come on, come on. Give me a good talent, please. No. No. War God. Oh, come on, where's Ares? Ares. No. No. Ooh, 4 of 8 War God. Yes. Replace that. Santa, do me good, Santa. No. No. Lead? No. 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 I heard or saw. Where's she at? Succubus sometimes helps out here. 2 of 8. 2, 1, 1. Come on, give me some talents. That's not the one I needed. 5 of 8 Blade Shell. Ooh. Who could use this? Guess I could just put this for might, eh? Ninja. Harpy, Ares, Beast Tamer. Let's see what we got down here. I really need Scatter. Siren. War God. Champion. Champions got Scatter too. How about a Paley? Paley's got Stone Skin. 5 of 8. 3. I don't need it on anything. Darn it. I guess I'll just put it on this one here. Come on. Scatter, no. Please give me a Revite. Come on. I could put that on Ares, but I'd like it a little higher. Ooh. 4 of 8. Condemnation. There's a 15% chance to reduce attack speed. 35% for 4 seconds when attacked. Boy, that kind of be useless on Ice Demon, eh? That's the same. Heaven Wrath. God, see how many of these I have? Oh well. Come on. Ooh. Ooh, we're in the right ballpark. What do I got for gems? 13,000 gems. Okay, come on. Maybe I'll just roll again. Tree. Don't need tree. Valentina again. Mortep Orc. Maxed. Okay, let's go back into here. Yeah, warehouse. Pick one, pick one. Beast Tamer. Change. Come on, do me well. Do me well here. Let's go. Yes. 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 Come on, I need... No. No. Can I get 1-5? Oh, not that one. You're kidding me, right? Darn it. Snow, help me, Snow. Can you do it, buddy? Yeah, I don't want that. I don't care. Ooh, revive. 4 of 8, revive. Just replace it on my other tree. 4 of 8 stone skin. I guess... Is he my only... I got him. Okay. Deadly strike on him. Alright, we'll put this on my other snow just for might. Come on. There it is! There it is! Nice! 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 Oh my god, I'm so happy today. I got what I needed. Oh my god, thank you. Oh. Oh, nice. Let me see here. Let's see what my, Valentina. Oh, where is my lady? No, it wasn't Lady Leo. Fireworks display. Who am I waiting on? Medusa. I got a Medusa, right? Where's my Medusa? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there she is right there. Nice. Let's see what she's got. I'm going to have to make some room in this warehouse. Darn it. I need to eat somebody. I think it's going to be... who can I eat? Crest, remove, oh. We're gonna eat the ninja. We are going to eat the ninja. Okay. You're not locked, right, buddy? Nope. Okay. Let's take Aries. And... No. Sorry. There we go. Let's eat the ninja. Consume. Nice. Keep going, keep going. Ooh. Okay. Ate the ninja. Okay. Let's see what my Medusa has. Oh my god, am I happy I got an Aries today. I am so happy. And a 5 of 5 Revite. Wow. I finally got a lucky roll going on. Okay. Well, I got boss in 10 minutes here. Alright, sorry. Let me see. We'll open this Medusa. Sorry, getting sidetracked. There she is. There she is. Let's see what we get. Nice. I forgot what a good talent is for her, but let's see what she has. Ooh, that's garbage. I guess we can change that out for something, eh? Same one. Nice. Replace. Tenacity. We need something better than that. How many gems do I got? 1,800. Let me roll 2 more. I'll roll 2 more, see what I get. What do I want on her? War God. I could use a War God. Bulwark, but I would put those on my other ones before I did this one. So let me do 2 more. I'll do 2 more rolls. Nope. And nope. Okay. Alright. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching my video, if you do. And like I said, come apply to our guild. We got a great guild. A lot of friendly, nice members willing to help you out. Got any questions? Like I said, man, come join us, man. We place first in Guild Wars Feud. Like I said, just have to do Torch at 2045 and all your Guild Wars. So come join us. Super period heroes right there. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And man, I was lucky today, let me tell you. But thanks a lot, man. Take care, guys. See ya.